You are welcome to Create. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 10 on your laptop or desktop. So we are going to go by the process. So as you can see in our last video, I teach you how to create a bootable USB drive. So if you haven't watched that video, you have to go and watch that video in this playlist. So first of all, you have to turn on your PC or laptop. Then after that, you make sure you'll be pressing on the F12 key several times so that window will appear like that. It will be stable like that. Then you just change it to the USB drive icon. So if you are using a CD-ROM, then you put it on the CD-ROM. But on this particular video, we are going to use a USB drive, so we have to change it to the USB drive icon. So after that, you wait for a while. You wait for it to load. So here we are going to choose our settings. So just tap on OK and we click on the install. If you are not seeing it clearly, please sorry. But it is just simple. So yes, you have to make sure that you wait for it to finish whatever the system is doing. So this is the setup page. I'd say like the camera was not that good, so I couldn't see. But if you see it, it will be showing a custom. So I have to click on the custom one, not that first one. So then you click on the custom. Then you click on the I don't have the product key or that one there. Then you come and choose Windows 10 Pro in the options. But if you want any other versions, you can Google to search for, or you can search for what any other does, because they have their features. So after that, you click on the custom install Windows only. Custom install Windows only means you are going to format it your local disk where your other Windows was. If say you were using Windows 8, you are going to format that thing so that it won't be upgraded. But if you choose the upgraded one, it will upgrade the Windows 8, and still the files of the Windows 8 will be remain on it, so it will be like it will take some space. So we have to format the disk because we only want Windows 10. So I have already done formatting the disk. So as you can see, you choose the drive C. Mine was on the drive C, so I choose the drive C. Then I click on the format to format it. So it is 4747. So we just click on, then you can see the installation has been started. So you wait for it to finish loading. The green bar will finish with the white bar, so you have to wait for it. So because I don't want the video to be too much long, I have to be like cutting some points and those steps. So if you are not seeing the full process at here, bear with me. But as for yours, it will take time if your PC is very fast. But if it is not that fast, it will take a very long time. So you have to make sure that you wait till it gets everything done. You don't have to be doing anything others. When a panel come or a window come that will be requesting for you to be doing something, I will let you know, or you know by yourself. And you have to make sure that your PC won't turn off, because if it turns off, all this process won't come. So let's start with region. So you can choose any region of your choice. Me, I am in Ghana, but I didn't choose Ghana. I choose USA, but you can use any settings. So at this stage, I would say we are 80% done with the installation. It is left with some small aspect. So is this the right keyboard? Yes, you can just proceed, because these things doesn't matter most. And the best part is you can even make changes later. So let's connect. So I don't have, but you can still connect it. You can continue with the limited version. Then you enter your PC name, and then you enter your PC password if you want to insert password, but you can still do it later, so I didn't insert it. Then you click on the OK. After that, you click on the, then you also click on the, so hi, you just wait for some time. Then you will see that your PC interface or the Windows 10 will be successfully installed. So I have to wait for some time for it to do whatever you want to do. So voila, we have done with installing Windows 10 on our PC. So if this video was very helpful, please kindly give us a like and subscribe for more. Bye bye.